Welcome to HRPreparation.com, India's first online institute for HR competitive exams. Now we are going to explain about online crash course. Let's understand the course structure. This course consists of both study material and test series. Here you can find the course structure as per exam pattern. As per exam pattern, there are two different parts. One is subject knowledge and general or aptitude. Both are having study materials and test series along with model mock test series as per exam pattern. Under profession knowledge, there are sections like management, HRM, HRD, OB, IR, labor legislations, labor welfare and market, and with labor laws. All topic-wise test series are given with simple to moderate questions which will help you to understand the subject. 360-degree coverage of subject from respective topics and subject. All questions are given with detailed comprehensive explanation. All labor laws are covered in this course with sections, chapters, schedules and latest amendments. Each section, each chapter, each schedule covered as unique question to understand whole act. Each question having simple and understandable explanation. If you are afraid of labor laws, then Act-wise test series will help you to come out of that fear with help of Act-wise test series. All model mock test series are given with real-time questions and most expected questions. Question pattern is moderate to difficult level question. Each question has its own unique and detailed explanation. Model mocks are as per given exam pattern by respective PSU. Study materials are provided in topic-wise and act-wise. All labor laws in simple and understandable language. Covered both professional knowledge and general paper in form of ebooks. General or aptitude. As per exam pattern, aptitude is also part of syllabus, so we provided study materials and test series. Let's jump into portal to see the real-time view. Here you can see study materials part and test series part separately. In study material part, you see all set sections and topics. In test series part, you can see all topic-wise and act-wise test series. Model mocks, also with answers and detailed explanation. For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number. For more details, visit our website www.hrpreparation.com. Happy learning!